Hello, this is Alex from Slackson. In this video, I want to introduce to you the Scribe platform. Scribe is a platform that helps you with recording step-by-step guides. To use Scribe, you need to create an account and install the Chrome extension. Let's go to Scribe How and click Get Started. Follow simple steps. And in the last step, you can choose to create new account by email or sign up with a Google account. I'm going to use Google. Select account. And okay, now we need to install the Chrome extension. Just click install. And we need to activate. Okay. So now we can record guide by clicking on extension icon and start recording. I want to record CodeBeamer project creation guide, so I go to my CodeBeamer server and start recording. Just click icon and start recording. So after capture has started, I'll create a test project. Okay, click finished. And after project has created, I stop recording and Scribe navigates me to workflow page. In this page, you can see all the steps that was recorded and I did them. After you finished, you can share the guide with the people. You can copy link and send. So that was all for now. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.